It began on a quiet night in early May 2025, when fishermen off the coast of Okinawa reported seeing strange lights rising from the ocean floor, soft golden glows that shimmered beneath the waves like distant lanterns. At first, they thought it was bioluminescent algae, until one of them realized the lights were forming shapes, long straight lines, perfect circles, and symmetrical grids, nothing nature could have created. By dawn, something impossible had surfaced. Where the sea had been 120 meters deep the day before, now stood the outlines of a sprawling stone city, its towers, walls, and staircases jutting from the ocean like the bones of a forgotten civilization. Satellites confirmed it. An entire landmass, roughly 2 square kilometers wide, had risen from the deep overnight. Scientists called it a rare geological uplift. Locals called it the return of Yonaguni, the ancient city said to have sunk thousands of years ago. Within hours, teams of researchers and journalists rushed to the site, while drones captured footage that stunned the world. Massive stone structures carved with geometric precision, submerged temples still glistening with coral, and stairways leading into the sea. What shocked experts most wasn't the architecture itself, but the condition. The stone blocks were clean, as if freshly cut. No heavy erosion, no thick marine buildup that would mark thousands of years underwater. It looked like something had been preserved, hidden, and then suddenly uncovered. Oceanographers soon discovered that no seismic event had been recorded in the area. No earthquakes, no volcanic shifts that could explain the uplift. Yet sonar scans revealed something even stranger. A hollow chamber beneath the site, roughly 300 meters below, emitting low-frequency vibrations at perfectly timed intervals, almost rhythmic, like the beating of a mechanical heart. When divers entered the submerged section, they found passages filled with carvings of constellations, unknown symbols, and depictions of beings with elongated skulls holding spheres of light. Some claimed they matched ancient Sumerian and Mayan symbols, despite being thousands of miles apart in origin. As exploration continued, strange electromagnetic fluctuations began interfering with equipment. Cameras flickered, compasses spun wildly, and communication devices cut off entirely near the core structure. Then one morning, a research drone captured something no one could explain. A colossal doorway at the base of the city began to shift open, releasing a cloud of bubbles and a soft humming sound that could be heard for miles through the water. The opening lasted only 4 minutes before closing again, and when scientists reviewed the footage, the sonar map showed a brief but massive heat signature within the chamber, as if something enormous had powered on deep beneath the earth. Panic spread when nearby marine life vanished completely from the area within hours. No fish, no whales, not even plankton. The water grew still and eerily dark. Some divers who had entered the ruins before this event began reporting vivid dreams. Visions of people walking the city streets under 2 suns, strange technologies, and a cataclysmic flood. One diver, upon waking, claimed he heard a voice whisper the same words over and over. "We were never gone." Governments quickly classified the area as restricted, citing structural instability. But leaked satellite images revealed the city's layout resembled an enormous circuit board, with the central temple perfectly aligned to Earth's magnetic poles. Researchers compared the pattern to ancient ley lines and discovered a shocking connection. The coordinates aligned almost exactly with those of other ancient sites, the pyramids of Egypt, Stonehenge, and Teotihuacan. Was this city once part of a forgotten global civilization, advanced beyond our understanding? The question became impossible to ignore when archaeologists found artifacts coated in a metal that didn't match any known terrestrial alloy, lighter than aluminum yet impervious to corrosion. A sample tested in Tokyo produced an unusual result, a weak electromagnetic field, self-sustaining and continuous, as if the material still contained stored energy. Weeks after the city's appearance, a massive storm formed unnaturally above the region. Satellite footage showed a vortex building directly over the site, though nearby waters remained calm. Lightning repeatedly struck the same central tower of the city, illuminating what appeared to be inscriptions glowing faintly in response. When the storm finally dissipated, the water had swallowed most of the city again. except one remaining structure, a single column inscribed with characters never seen before. Linguists attempted to decode them, but could only identify fragments. The return, the signal, the watchers. By the following morning, the city was gone once more, leaving only a circular disturbance on the ocean surface and readings of powerful magnetic residue. Governments officially dismissed it as an optical illusion caused by oceanic gas release, though multiple eyewitnesses, satellite records, and drone data confirmed otherwise. In the weeks that followed, similar faint lights began appearing near other known sunken structures: the Bimini Road in the Bahamas, the ruins of Dwarka in India, and even parts of the Mediterranean seabed, as if the world's forgotten cities were somehow connected, pulsing to the same mysterious rhythm from beneath the surface. One scientist from Kyoto University, speaking anonymously, leaked that their instruments detected synchronized bursts of low-frequency sound coming from all these regions, repeating every 72 hours, perfectly coordinated. He described it as a global heartbeat waking from a long sleep. Religious groups claimed it was a sign of Atlantis returning. Skeptics blamed undersea methane eruptions, but those who witnessed the lights firsthand said it was something older, something alive. Months later, an expedition team funded by a private organization descended into the area once again using an autonomous submersible. The craft transmitted clear footage for 2 minutes before interference cut the signal, revealing a sprawling underground network of tunnels stretching far beyond the visible ruins, glowing faintly blue as if powered from within. At the end of the footage, a colossal circular object could be seen embedded in the rock, pulsing softly with light before the video abruptly ended. The submersible was never recovered. To this day, sonar scans show a faint but persistent anomaly beneath the same coordinates, something enormous, motionless, and unidentifiable. The official reports remain silent, but whispers among oceanographers suggest that whatever rose that night wasn't just a geological event. It was a reawakening. Some believe the city didn't simply rise, it returned because it was meant to. And if ancient legends are true, if advanced civilizations once thrived before recorded history, then maybe, just maybe, they never truly vanished. Perhaps they are still there, beneath the waves, waiting for the right moment to emerge once again.